Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So what we have discussed in yesterday of the index and some of the stocks, exactly that only we have. I have told you up till here only you can take your targets. You can see that slightly gap down open after that consolidation. This is the false breakdown has been happened. After that only you can see that how nicely it has been taken first time, second time resistance. After that only it's broken and taken support and continuously acting as resistance and came down. This is the one of the major sideways market. You can see that here only opens and here only closed, nothing happened. This is the only the theta decay, guys. Okay guys, we can see for next index, so analysis. So we can see here guys, what happened is that, just a second guys. Okay, this is the NASDAQ, what we have discussed in NASDAQ also. You can see here guys, exactly that only happened because of, I have told you, whenever gap down opens, so previous days low whatever happened, that will be act as resistance. You can see that here only sellers once again came. You can see here guys. Okay guys, here only the sellers has been came. Just a second, here only the sellers has been came, taken it because of double top also has been made and came downside, exactly taking support from here only, continuously consolidated and closed. You can see that here only open, here only closed. I have exactly told you, if open flat it will continuously goes on consolidation phase, because so many days has been happened that trending day, this is the very huge trending day we have got. So that's why the market will consolidate and then it will take small pause after the so much big rally what we have get here. You can see here guys, just I will zoom in. So here you can see that this much big rally has been what we have taken. So that's why it has to be the consolidate, then only it make once again downside momentum or upside momentum. We have to see that. Okay guys, so right now we can see the next index is that SPX. In SPX also what we have discussed, exactly that only happened. You can see here guys, I have told you that here only it will open in sideways market, then it continuously take resistance and goes upside. What happened? It has been majorly gap down happened. After that only you can see here guys, what happened is that I have told you somewhere here only, but it has been just a mistake from like this has been happened. Exactly, I have told you up till here only you have to take yours all the target. From here only reversible came, exactly that happened. You can see here guys, exactly it taken a resistance. Okay guys, this is not expected. I have not told you this is act as resistance, but here only I have told you that you book your full profit. After that only the upside momentum came. Once again it will acted as a resistance. After that it broken. You can see that false consolidation happened, and where it has been opened, there only it has been closed. So what we have expected, exactly that happened, and exactly where what we have told you, exactly it has been reached their target, last target, and reversible after that. So this is the analysis. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95%. That's why I have told you guys, you can have to see the where the market is going on. That will show you how to behave in the market. Okay guys, in Tesla also I have exactly told you, if it will take resistance, then you can take your first and second target. What happened is that open slightly gap down, after that exactly taken resistance, came downside, once again taken resistance, once again taken resistance, 2 times 3 times taken, it has been resistance. I will show you also. You can see here, first time, second time, third time, three times it has been taken resistance from here. You can see here. Okay guys, exactly that only happened. We can see for Amazon also. In Amazon what we have discussed is that it goes on a consolidation phase only, it do not work for us. What we have discussed, exactly that only happened. After that you can see that continuously consolidation happened. After that came downside. Okay guys, this is the thing is there. Okay guys, we can see for next stock is that Microsoft. In Microsoft also what we have discussed exactly, but huge gap down happened, so it goes on a consolidation only. You can see here, opened here, closed here, the sideways market. What we have expected, sideways market, that only the behave in every stock and index also guys. You can see here, I have told you also guys, in here also the consolidation will came and take it downside. Exactly, you can see that I have told you, take resistance up till here only you have to achieve your all target and book your profit. Exactly from here only it make a upside momentum, guys. Okay guys, hope you have captured this also, and I have told you in beginning only, market goes on a consolidation because huge fall has been came, so it has to be consolidated. After that only it make a bigger momentum. You can see that how huge momentum has been captured by the sellers and the option buyers. You can see that almost 4%, guys. Almost 4% is not enough, do you think, in option buying? Almost 4% is very huge amount of money they have made, guys. So that's why they have not taken it anywhere. They have just consolidating. Today also what happened is that yeah, tomorrow also I think that it goes on a consolidation only tomorrow also once again. After that, whenever it gonna break, it gives us very big and huge momentum. So we gonna see where the market gonna gives the momentum for us for a tomorrow. Okay guys, we can see for the Dow Jones right now. So now we gonna see the Dow Jones where it gonna work for today. You can see here, guys, exactly what happened is that right now it is taking a resistance from here. So what we have to see is that this will act as resistance. Okay guys, so we can consider it as a one of the resistance area. What happened if slightly a gap up or something gap up happened, then it will take support from here, and you can take up till first target will be here, second target will be up till here, this will be the third and final target, guys. Okay, if it opens somewhere here, then you can continue these target only, guys, up till here. These are the three targets. Okay guys, we can see for downside momentum, if it will came something here or it came downside from up till gap up happened, and from here it will came downside somewhere, take resistance, then you can expect your first target. This will be the second target, guys. This will be the third and final target, guys. Okay guys, we can see for next index is that NASDAQ, guys. Okay guys, in NASDAQ also it has been continue goes on a one of the sideways market only. You can see here, guys, if this level has been broken, just a second guys. Okay guys, this is in a range. Okay guys, if whenever it goes on a range only, or if this is broken and taken somewhere support, then you can expect your first target will be here, second target will be up till here. Okay guys, if it make a huge gap up or something, then you can see the price action also. I have uploaded the price action video also, you can check out there, guys. Okay guys, these are the our first target, second, third and fourth target, guys. If gap up opens, then it will take here somewhere support. First, second target will be here, guys. Okay guys, if it will take somewhere here only, came downside and take resistance, then we can expect our first target up till here, second target and third target up till here, guys. Okay guys, but sideways will be the continue, will be the there, but I think that slightly gap up will be happen and gives us upside momentum. So I am telling you the one of the possibility that it opens a gap up or something and gives us very big momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, if we can see here, guys, I will just do it somewhere here, guys. You can see that it will act as supporting area if it open gap up or something. Or okay guys, then you can support taken our first target somewhere here, guys, second target up till here, third target up till here, guys. Okay guys, up till here you can take it. Okay guys, if it will came upside momentum and take resistance, then this will be the first target, second target, this will be the third target, guys. Okay guys, hope you are getting these all ideas, guys. But here also one of the trend line is also going on. If it will consolidate somewhere like this, consolidation happened and then broke, then it will gonna give us very big momentum. Okay guys, we can see some of the stocks, guys. Now Tesla, we can see in Tesla also it is in a range. You know that this is the one of the major resistance area it is acting right now. High possibility is that today gap up opens. So what we have to discuss is that if open gap up or something, take here only support, then we can expect our first target, second target, sorry guys, second target up till here, guys. This will be the not a target. Okay guys, this will be the our third target and fourth target up till here. You can take it out. Okay guys, if open a slightly gap down or sideways market only, take resistance, our first target, second target, third target. If this is broken, then you can continue. This is the first, second, third target. Okay guys, fourth target. Okay guys, we can see next is Amazon. In Amazon stock also it's doing a great thing, but what happened is that here also a trend line, if it continuously consolidates somewhere like this. Okay guys, then we can expect that, guys, it will broken and uses our full and final first target will be here, guys. If it will open a gap up and take somewhere here only support, our first target will be here, second target, and our third and final target. If it is continuously coming downside and it crosses this area, guys, this area, okay, just a second, then take resistance. Our first target will be here up till, and our second target will be up till here. Okay, guys, these are the two target in Amazon. We can see for Microsoft, you can see here, guys, trend line is going on. Just I will draw it for you, guys. You can see here, guys. Okay, guys, this is the trend line, and from here also trend line is going on. Just like this, you can see that it is in a range market and it's giving very nice trend line. If open a slightly here only and broken, then you can expect your first target, second target, and third target, guys. These are the very huge momentum coming, so you can track down these two, guys, in Microsoft, guys. Hope you all are getting this thing. This is the major supporting area, so this is the first and final target. I am not expecting downside momentum right now, so we will just let it be, or we will do not consider if downside momentum will came, so do not trade in Microsoft at least. Okay, guys, in Apple, you can see here, if slightly gap up happens somewhere here only, you can take up till your first target, guys. This will be the second target, and it happened that if this much big gap up open, then it goes on a consolidation phase only. So you have to see that. If in index also, I'm telling, in index also it gonna be a sideways market only if huge gap up has been happened, so then only. Okay, guys, if it will once again came and taking resistance, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second small target, this will be the third target, and this will be the final fourth target, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. If you wanted to more videos and knowledge, please go and check out my channel. I have uploaded all the things whatever you needed to become a trader, guys. I have explained every trade in a deep analysis only. You can check out there, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.